3-bedroom, 1 bath. Well, actually, you walk in and you can't even tell what it is because it's that bad. It's got a lot of rotted wood. The frame is like bad. There's galvanized plumbing. Even just the size of the rooms, you know, like it's just weird. I would like completely knock down that wall that's hiding the kitchen. It's got a nice oversized lot. It's a corner house.
It was cold.
It's freezing. Called me outside and I'm like, okay, let's go. We're ready to go, whatever. And I'm standing and he's like, go here, go there, go there. Stood outside for like 15 minutes for
nothing. All right, boom, we're back. We are on
a mission
for the next fix and flip. You wanna go see it?
Let's go look.
Hey, bitch, I'm from Texas, where we should ride in swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strapped, we keep our weapons.
But right off the bat, we need a new driveway. That's a red flag for foundation. We need new windows.
New windows.
The roof is new, and there was already some work done to it, so you can tell.
Hopefully there's no one in
There's
here.
a free toilet.
I don't even want to go near it.
Holy moly.
So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath.
Yeah, it's 1,200 square feet.
But what I would do is to convert that garage into a bedroom just to give it more space. But you do have some space in the backyard. So they started it, but you do have some space definitely to expand. And I
Probably
know
right over there, just bring it right out there. Pull this whole kitchen back. But the roof is already there, that's the hard part.
Yeah. Well,
where there's a will, there's a way.
but I also know for a fact, because this is popping up a lot, there's definitely some type of settlement problems. And then if you're standing here and you look where the sod and all of that is at, it's gonna come up in the inspection report where they
100%.
have to lower it down because there's no
The grading?
Yeah, the grading, that's what I'm referring to. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's just even with the ground. It has to have a little
slope. Yeah,
What
negative
is it, like
slope.
6 inches or something?
Yeah, so that there's no puddling around the house.
Let's go take a peek over there. But look at this.
God damn.
This is the
Man.
kitchen.
This would be a nice little kitchen. This is a starter home, but it could be flipped to look top notch. I mean, there's nothing in the way. Everything is already out. There's no demo. There's still demo, but
I would
not full-blown demo.
I would knock this down and make it
100%.
all open.
It's ready to be knocked down. And if you could potentially just push this wall, push it out, make it even with that wall out there, the whole section will just be...
Yeah, because you have a bedroom there,
Let's walk
bedroom
back there.
here.
Oh man, there's termite damage. You see that?
Yeah.
Dang. Look at that.
This is literally what's holding this wall right here. So
Yeah,
be
that's
careful.
bad. Let's go see.
If you're enjoying this vlog, I need you to subscribe. You need to subscribe to me. Like, come on, show some love. Subscribe. Did I say that right? Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe.
A lot of termite damage in these studs. That sucks. Like they were going to fix it and leave it there. See, this is the problem.
So I guess in a way it's kind of good that they ran out of money because
They must have run out of money because why are they selling it? They're selling it so somebody else could finish it. Much
purchased and they didn't do enough.
Yeah, they're probably rookies. They started digging into it. All of these have to get replaced. Look at that. Look at that one. That's a main one holding up.
Load bearing.
That's definitely a main one, and it's full of termite damage.
Look at the plumbing, the piping.
Yeah, it's galvanized. That sucks too. You walk in here, toilet. Where would the shower go?
Was the toilet here and they just closed it off?
I don't know, but the faucets are here.
Oh, the toilet was here, look.
I'm sorry, the faucet for the tub is here. The
toilet
toilet's
was
here,
there.
but where's the shower?
The shower was here. It's a tub shower.
I'm tripping. I'm looking for a stand-up shower. When I always tell you,
Yeah, be careful where you
look
step.
at this. Watch where you step. Get this nail right here. And you got on sneakers.
Yeah, boy.
I like this house. I like the location. Did you see when we pulled in all that new construction right there?
Yep.
It's just, look, god dang, this right here. Look at this. They were gonna leave it. And they were gonna leave it. I know they were gonna leave it. Look, it's all right there. That's
Everywhere.
probably why they're like, you know what?
So this
We're
is
done.
so weird.
But this is the living room. That's the closet for that
Closet
room.
for that bedroom. The house sits on an 8,800, almost 9,000 square foot lot. So I would definitely use that to your advantage to expand.
Wow, look at these things, bro. Look, they got some shoes. It comes with some shoes, bro. You want some sneakers? My mom used to have these. My mom used to have these. When we lived in the trailer park on Federal Road, by the way, which is called
I know, there's the
Oak
water
Tree
heater.
Trailer Park. She used to have those in her kitchen. I remember.
I
This is
would-
too much. This is all living space right here.
I would
Big time.
nowadays, like obviously everyone knows, but the utility room, washer dryer is inside the house. You don't want to have to make your clients come out and.
I mean, if you gotta make it that way, make it that way. But I would. This is a huge garage compared to the house.
Yeah.
I would keep it as a one garage. Maybe just get rid of the garage. Just put a nice carport outside and let it rip. Termite damage. That's why it's got to get tore down. There's so much termite damage in this house, man, that whoever comes, if I decide to take it, which I got to renegotiate this price, definitely got to finish ripping out all the damaged termites. This is crazy. But I like the area. I like the neighborhood. Right over this house, you can see the downtown.
Like that one's got some work that they're adding to it.
I see it.
in the
Brand's got a
corner.
brand new driveway. There's a dumpster. They're flipping it right now. It's a good area. It's just the square footage on this house is small. So if you get it, you're gonna have to upgrade it. This dude left his chaunas here and everything. Air Force One. Galvanized pipes probably got to get taken out because that's gonna be a nightmare.
Let's keep the blue tile.
Yeah, this is crazy. You see that they have this. If you see this right here. They set this up here. This wood that's got this termite damage, look, that whole end of that 2x4 is gone. It's completely rotted out, termite damage. So they had to put this support beam here. But my question is, I bet you that they were just gonna leave it under there. I could bet money. Gotta be careful, people. Get an inspection. I don't care who flips the house. Get an inspection, because some of these dudes out here are shady, like Eminem. Yeah, I said that. Quick, easy. Let me look at the side before we go, because it's freezing. Man, it's a nice house. I like it. I'm sure those dogs don't get loose over there, because I'm going to shoot them. Unless they're friendly. But look, every window needs to be redone. I think the foundations definitely have some issues.
For sure.
Driveway, dry rot, got a lot of potential. And I think we're going to go look at a few more. But for now, the search continues for my next fix and flip. By the way, if you guys have a property that you need to sell fast and quick, for example, like this one that needs too much work, a professional needs to come in here and put a lot of time and money into it, and the everyday person who has to go to work doesn't necessarily have the money or the time. If you have a property that's got too many problems that you can't sell, message me. I buy houses cash, and that's what we're out here doing right now. I got cash. If you got a property, message me. She's my realtor. I'm the buyer.
Yes.
I'm her client. So y'all get it?
Yeah.
Say bye, because it's cold.
Bye.
All right, on to the next.
Bitch, I'm from Texas, where we sit riding swangers and put diamonds in our necklace. Pour drink inside my lemonade till it look like a Pepsi. See, I come from the D where we got checks and we be flexing. If you ain't from my state, then you should know don't fuck with Texas. Hey, we always strapped, we keep our weapons.